Hi there, Douglas Baldwin, Senior Global Training Manager at Unitron, here with my work-from-home assistant, Winston. We want to share some useful troubleshooting tips with you to help you get the most out of your hearing aids. We occasionally hear reports from people who wear Unitron hearing aids of static sounds during phone calls. This is usually with iPhones, however, it can occur with Android phones too. First of all, it's important to understand that this static is caused by the phone, not the hearing aids. That said, we still want to help you resolve this annoyance when possible. So here are a couple things you can try. First, we suggest to turn off the adaptive bandwidth option in the app. You can do this by selecting My Hearing Aids and Adaptive Bandwidth. Or your hearing care professional can do this for you in our fitting software. On rare occasions, the static may persist with some iPhones. A possible workaround could be to reboot your phone. Another option is to just disable and re-enable Bluetooth in your phone on a daily basis. It may automatically show connected in your devices. If not, tap the device to connect. Winston and I hope these tips are helpful and resolve this occasional annoyance for you.